like falling deeper. Cold nights 난 너무 싫어. 기다리기에는 너무 길.
Hey guys, so we are heading to Chinatown right now. We're just about 2 minutes away from it. We're gonna go get some Korean barbecue because that's what we're gonna cook for Thanksgiving Day, because today is Thanksgiving. So we're gonna cook some Korean barbecue, probably get a Paris baguette cake. Oh yes, yes we are. Alright, see you when we get there.
걱정돼 바보 같은 생각이야. 알아 멍청해. 상상만으로도 좋은 상상만으로도 힘든 이중적인 면을 가지고 있어. 사랑이라는 거. Oh yeah. Baby can't you come with me? Can't you hold my hand and leave? 근데 있잖아 너라면 다를까 생각이 들어. 해볼까 말까 내 다리가 걸어 가는 방향이 어딘지 서로 궁금해져 버려. 애써 맘 졸여 하늘만 보면서 언제쯤 알게 될까. 너도 나와 같은 생각을 하고 있을까. 한참을 멍하니 보다 보니 살짝 어두워진 색깔. 불그스름한 노을의 때깔.
We are getting kimchi, you guys. It is freezing up in this place. Strawberry.
What is this?
It's interesting. Okay, so we got our Thanksgiving dinner. We got some pretty good stuff.
We'll have to show you when you get home, but
We got kimchi.
I've got a cake.
Oh yeah. I know, but those are good though. I don't know. No. Yes, we're just leaving Chinatown. I always love coming to this place. I feel like home every time that I do. But yes, we got our cake, you guys, Paris baguette. I'm excited to show you when we get home. Alright you guys, so I hope you guys are enjoying your Thanksgiving with your family and your friends. Me and Richard, like I said, we were supposed to go to Tucson, but unfortunately things just came up. So but yeah, we're gonna go visit his mom for Christmas. On that one, I don't care, I'm going. So but yes, look, I'm so excited. I'm so excited to eat.
Let it go. 얼어붙어 like whoa. 띵하고 어지러워. I see. 한여름에도 넌 겨울. 여거였고 yeah. 너와 있을 때 I swear. 제가 먼저 zero 폭설한 그 children. 꿈에도 I wasn't aware. 나만 빼고 넌 모두에게 참 친절해. 내 신감이 들어 단판이 돼도 머릿속을 흔드니 ibuprofen 그만해 it's time to stop. 승부욕을 자극하는 style yeah. 알면서도 마음이 자꾸 내게 가. 안만 빠져버릴까. If you want me back I'll tell you I'm sorry. If you want me back I'll tell you stop trying. Yeah, you got me. Let it go.
Alright everybody, this is our Thanksgiving dinner. This is what we're going to cook right now. We're going to have some of these later. We're going to just put them in the air fryer and then just have it. But this, you guys, my mom used to always get for me when I obviously lived with her in Sydney. She would go to Cabramatta, which is a Chinatown in Sydney. It looks like this. This is how Cabramatta looks like. So she would always go and get me some of these. This is the sugar cane drink. So love that. And then we got some kimchi, pork, beef. And then this caught our eyes. We got some pork and cabbage dumplings. And then I think, I don't want to say it because I don't want to mess it up. But Yeah, I'm sorry, I can't pronounce that, but it's pork asado steam buns, and that got us because we were like, that sounds pretty delicious. So Richard is going to put some Christmas music, and then we're gonna go ahead and cook. And yeah, you guys, I hope that you guys are enjoying your Thanksgiving. Unfortunately, we could not go to be with our families. Unfortunately, I have to work tomorrow. So yes, that is why we didn't end up going, and obviously some other things came up as well with the family. So unfortunately, we just couldn't go. Just didn't work out. Not this year. But it's okay because we got some really delicious food and a cake from Paris Baguette. You know that we are a huge fan of Paris Baguette, so we had to get it. This was there was only 3 cakes, and we ended up scoring this one. It's a cappuccino cake, so I can't wait to eat that, you guys. I'm so excited to eat it. But yeah, enjoy the vlog. See you guys a little bit later. Alright guys, so we are done. I finished cooking all the meats. Gonna enjoy my kimchi now. Ooh, and some dim sims. Ooh, that smells really good. Alright guys, we're gonna eat, and I'll see you later when we're ready to eat the cake.